The secret to beautiful feet. Do this at night and wake up with baby-soft heels in the morning. You only need 3 ingredients. Take a fresh lemon and cut it into thick slices, then make a small cut in the center. This step is important. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens, softens the skin, and thanks to vitamin C, it helps with regeneration and refreshes. In a small bowl, add 1 spoonful of baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors and helps remove rough skin. Next, add 1 spoonful of honey, preferably natural. Honey deeply moisturizes, soothes, fights inflammation, and leaves the skin silky smooth. Mix everything into a thick paste. Spread the mixture onto a lemon slice, then place it on the sole of your foot. Wrap with plastic wrap to create an occlusion effect, making the ingredients work even better. Put on socks and leave for half an hour, or ideally overnight. Afterward, your feet will be softer, smoother, and deeply hydrated. This simple home ritual softens hard heels and refreshes your feet, giving you a professional spa effect without leaving home. Add salt to Vaseline. This is a simple yet highly effective home remedy, and you'll notice the results right away. All you need is regular cosmetic Vaseline, something most people already have at home, though few realize how many uses it has. In a small bowl, place just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline has numerous properties that make it one of the most versatile skincare products. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, preferably fine-grained. This subtle step will make the result more complete and noticeable. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to the desired areas of your body, massaging in circular motions. Leave it on for about 10 minutes to let the ingredients work, then rinse off with warm water. You'll instantly feel your skin change. Soft, firm, and as if awakened to life. This homemade salt scrub not only cleanses the skin, but also stimulates microcirculation, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to skin cells. Used regularly, it can become your ally in reducing cellulite. Cellulite is the characteristic unevenness of the skin caused by fat deposits under its surface. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference after just 1 treatment. Massage this into your face, and you'll cancel all your beauty appointments. This method costs almost nothing and contains no chemicals at all. Take 1 banana and peel it. Eat the fruit, it's good for you, and cut the peel into smaller pieces. Banana peel is a true natural antioxidant. It has anti-wrinkle and brightening properties. Put the chopped peel into a blender. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It's another ingredient that makes your skin silky smooth and refreshed. It soothes and gently tightens the skin. Then pour in 1 cup of water to give the mixture a more fluid, creamy consistency. Blend everything until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished mask into a clean, preferably airtight container. Apply the mask to your face, neck, or hands using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for 20 minutes. For best results, use it regularly. This is a truly simple and natural method worth trying if you want to care for your skin in the comfort of your own home.
Beauticians add coffee to Nivea cream. It turns it into a product that rivals luxury skincare. It might sound odd at first, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. If you've got ground coffee at home, you can actually use it in your beauty routine. When mixed with Nivea cream, it creates a DIY treatment that saves both time and money. Put 2 teaspoons equivalent of Nivea cream in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Then add in 1 tablespoon of honey. The enzymes in honey gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells while also acting as a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Mix everything well. Coffee is packed with anti-aging properties. Caffeine and other polyphenols help slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, keeping it smooth and preventing new wrinkles from forming. This powerful combo works wonders.
Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with Parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. This is how I make liquid gold. It saves me a fortune, and I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people use. But not everyone knows its full potential. Take 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly and place it in a small, clean bowl. Add a bit of honey. The antioxidants in honey slow down skin aging. Mix everything thoroughly. Now, apply this amazing blend to your hands. Your skin will be deeply moisturized and nourished. With daily use, you'll see visible results in just a few days. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of 1 banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it.